So yesterday we have discussed in the post, na? So this kind of the intersection was completed, like creation of the category and all the things. So that we have covered. So we'll click on add new. After that, the first option is the classic editor. Just we have to install that. Need to activate it. So when we refresh it, like just so this editor is a classic editor, as you can see that. Okay, so in that, just what you have to do, suppose if you have to make a heading, just you have written the text and you want to make it heading, so just select the text and change the heading from there. H4, H3, basically there are the 6 type of the heading in HTML. H1 is the largest, H6 is the smallest. Okay, so this is the shortcut, like shift plus alt plus 1. These are the shortcut for that. Suppose if you will select this and shift alt 5, so H5 will be converted. Shift alt 2, so H2 will be, heading 2 will be there. After that, B tag is there for the bold, like to make the text in the bold format. Okay, as you can see that. After that, the italic is there to change the style. The list, from that you can make the list, from that you can make the number. This is order and on order list. Do you know the difference between order and unordered list? Basically, if the list have the sequence, like number, it can be number, it can be alphabet, it can be anything. Like it can be A B C D E F G, it can be upper A B C D E F G, it can be 1 2 3 4 5, it can be a sequence of the pattern. So this will be the order list. Unordered list, like dot, circle, this kind of the things will be there. So that known as unordered list. Suppose, as you can also see there, U for the U stand for the order, and O stand for the order list. Suppose from the shortcut you can just select the text, shift alt O for the order, and for the U, that for the unorder. These are the shortcuts key. After that, block code is there. Block code used for to add the testimonials part normally. If we are introducing the testimonials part in the website, so for that we will use the block code, otherwise not needed. This is the alignment, like 3 type of alignment is there, but the other 4 type of alignment: left, right, center, justify. Justify, basically left will be on the left and center it will be center, left, right. So justify is not there, we have to make it manually through the CSS. Otherwise what you can do, like here you can, visual is there, after the text is there, so go on the text and text line is there, so just write it justify. Yeah, justify is there, so once you will write there, the text will be justified. Justified text means, like, just if you open any website, suppose this is the website that we have opened, like you can see that the current text is left line. Okay, and just if I select the piece of the text, so if I will change from the, if I make it center, like text line center, so it will be in center. Perfect. If I will make it right, so all the text will be shifted toward right direction. If I make it justify, so from left to right, you can see that proper structure is there, like no gapping is there on the right. Okay. As the same way you can see that this is the straight line. This we can do as a straight line, but in the left or right, this is not there. Yeah. So after there, this is the link part. Suppose if you want to add the link in the website to redirect from the one page to another page, this one is used for that. Suppose if you select this and if you want to add this URL in that, so just select that and click on the insert or edit link, paste the link, and this is setting option. In the setting you will see two options basically. Open in new tab. Like if you want to open the website in the new tab, yeah, when the user will click on that particular text, it will open in the new tab. When you select this, okay, and you just click or you have to click update. So the link has been added to this text. Okay, once you click on update and view this, so when you click on this, it is redirecting in the this website. Okay. So after that, like this is the URL part normally. So after this is the read more tag. Normally, this will create a line, just this kind of things. Okay, that will not useful. After that, when you click on this, multiple option will be there. Like suppose if you want to cross the particular text, so just select this, select the text, and click on the line. So you can see that the cross line will be there. This is the horizontal line that is known as this can be added by the HR tag normally. So HR tag will stand for the line normally. Just it will create a horizontal line throughout the page, throughout the complete width of the page. After that, color is there. You can select the color from there of the text. Suppose if you want to change the color of this text, so just pick any color. The text will be color will be changed. Okay, via the custom via the custom you can select the color if you have any specific color. You can also add the color code there. Like suppose if you want to implement the white color, so just add, click on the OK. This custom color will be added here. From there you can change. After that, the news option is there. This is the paste as text. So whatever you will copy, this will paste as in text. जो भी आप whatever you will copy, normally it will paste as a normal text. And this is the erasure clear formatting. Suppose we have done the color, we have changed the color, we have add insert line to deletion line normally. So just we have, if we want this as a simple text, so just we will select this and we will click on this button clear formatting. So as you can see that all the formatting has been removed. Like it can be cross, it can be color change, both has been removed. Suppose this will be useful if you will copy any content from the other website, like from the chat GPT or from the other website. So some things will be copied with that, like the CSS style and all the things. So just you can clear them. Otherwise, what you can do, you can just control which for the normal pasting. But if you will click on the control shift plus V, so it will also remove the formatting. Control plus shift plus V. After that, special character is there if you want to add this kind of the characters in there. Okay. And after that, this is the indent. Indent is basically the space from the right and left. Suppose if you will see that this is starting from there, but I want to start it from the there. So you will just add the indent there from the right. मतलब move it slightly right. So once you will update that, you will see that this will be moved toward the right. Okay, so this is the part. And after that, this basically this is the classic editor. And if you want to add the image media, just you will click enter here and click on the add media on the top, and just you can upload the files from your local PC. Otherwise you can just grab it from the media library if the image is accessed. So currently there is no image, so just we are selecting from the media library. So as for the reference, we have just selected this and click on the insert. So this image has been uploaded. Okay. So as the same way you can create the post, these tags, post attribute, featured image, all the things we have discussed yesterday, right? So this is the category part. Basically, category will help to categorize the post normally. We can set the 10 post in a category and like we can class to differentiate the travel, health, other category kind of the post. We can categorize that. So as you can see that by default category is the uncategorized. This is the by default category. Whatever the category you will make, so this will be the category automatically assigned. If you will not assign, this will automatically assign. Okay, so you can change this particular things. Like you have to go on the setting and writing. So as you can see the default post category, whatever the default or default post category you want to keep, so just select whatever you want to keep. So whenever you will publish the blog post, so it will automatically pick that category. Okay, so as the same way for under the categories you can create multiple new category. This is the name of the category, this is the slug and URL part, whatever the URL will be, and this is the parent category if you want to make any parent category of this. Okay, and this is the description if you want to add any description related to the category. So the description will just show after the title name. uh, so as you can see that here FSTSP, this one, this is the description normally. So basically this theme what I doing, this theme currently painting in the same thing, but many other like if we talk about other themes, so it will just this is the heading and after that here it will be printed the description in the small fonts as a paragraph. Okay, so every theme has a different layout for printing anything. After that you will see, so as the same way you can delete the category in the bulk, just select this and click on this, delete, apply, so all the category will be deleted. So as the same way the tags is there, from there you can create the multiple tags. These are all, no, this description will not help. We will create while we learn. Basically, there will be plugins for that. Yoast SEO, all-in-one SEO. These are the normal description. Basically, what is the category about for that? Suppose you have created a category for the health, right? And you explain that, like in this category, we will post only on a health. Okay. So this is just informational part. After that, you will see that media section is there. What's the thing you will upload in the file, like in the WordPress admin? All the media will be reflected here. Okay, it can be image, it can be audio, it can be video, it can be anything, like whatever you will upload on the media it will be reflected here. So as the same way there are the two layout from that you can view. This one is the square, this one is the list page. Okay. And you can select, filter that, like which type of the media you want to see. If you will click on the audio, all audio will be shown. If you will click on the image, image will be shown. Okay, you can filter the date wise, like of which one you want to show. You can also bulk select, like just as the same way you can select multiple image, the multiple images uploaded. Like just a minute. Suppose these are the images that we have uploaded, and if you want to delete in the bulk, like the first way is just click on this and click on the delete permanently. This is the first way. The second one is click on the bulk select and just select multiple image from there and click on the delete. The image will be deleted from the website. Okay, and so from there you can add the image, like when you click on the add, the pop-up will appear. So when you click on the select file, you can just upload the media from there. When you click on the a single image, so the multiple things is there. This is the information about the image, like file name, file size, all the things is there, dimension and all the things. This is the alternate text alt, और जिसको हम कहते हैं alt text normally, alt. In this, this is mandatory for the SEO part, like it will boost the image in the search engine. Okay, like basically this should be keyword oriented. Suppose if you are writing the title, if you are writing the post on the top 5 health tips, so just you will select or search on the Google top 5 health tips. So as you can see that multiple images there, here multiple image will be there. So if you will keep the alt text is good, so the image will appear here. When you open an image, click on the inspect, you can see that alt text is there. 5 simple health tips. Okay, best health tips, health living tips. After that, if you will see this one, so top 5 health tips. Like this keyword is include top 5 health tips. Right? If you will see this, so top 5 best health tips. Okay. So if you will include the keyword in the image and text, so image will be appear in the search engine. Okay, so this is the way. This is the title. This will be the name of the image, like which image name can be used. Okay, so the image name also should be keywords oriented. Suppose if you are uploading an image of health normally, so try to give the name according to that. Okay, and after that, if you will see, the caption is there. Caption is basically like some additional information about the image, like if you want to show display the some additional information about the image, like for which images that, right? Suppose if you upload image top 5 health tips, so just you are explaining about the image. Okay, this is the image for the top 5 health tips. This is the caption part normally. Give a short या फिर if into about the caption. Description is the different part. Description, caption is just normal written in the short terms, short description. But in the case of the description, you can explain in the large format. Okay. Basically, the caption and the description doesn't need for the SEO part. The main thing will be title and alternative text only. That will be useful. The caption and description will not be used. And after that, the URL is there. From that, you can access the file. This particular image, once if you will copy this URL and just paste in the browser, the image will be accessible. Okay. After that, if you will see, there are multiple things is there. View attachment page, edit more details, download file. So when you click on the view attachment details, it will be redirected to the page. This is the one. This is the folder, yani directory of there. This is not the URL, this is the directory, like where the file is located. So as you will see, edit more details. So from there you can change the multiple details normally, like if alternates, written description, they're the same things that you can change title from there. Basically this is a single image, like from there you can just change of the single. From here what you can do, you can change for the multiple image, like just cross this, just add and cross this, but from that you can add it only the one image at a time. Okay, so this is the image part, and you can also edit the image when you click on the edit image. So there are multiple option is there, the crop, scale, image rotation. When you crop, so it is asking for the aspect ratio if you want to keep, and otherwise you can just move this kind of the things. Once you have adjusted the position, just click on the crop again, so the image will be cropped. Otherwise, everything has the different functionality normally in this case also. Currently, this thing is also showing the button here, apply crop. When you click on the apply crop, the image will be cropped. But in some theme, this option will not show. Just the arrow will be shown while adjusting the arrow. Just click on the crop after that. After that, scale is there. That will not be, like if you want to change that, like the rotation is there. If you want to rotate the image and all the things is there, and you can change the image, save edit after that. So the image has been changed, and you can see that in the dashboard also. Okay, so this is the image part normally, and so if we will go on the hosting part normally, just a minute. So when we open the file manager and going to the directory, like social bookmark website.com. So here the WP, the this one is our website, WP learning. When we click on this, after that there are the three folders: WP admin, WP content, WP includes. Three folders is there. So whatever the dashboard you are looking, this kind of the dashboard is located in the WP admin folder. Okay, and whatever the content you will upload, like the media, like the audio, like the pages and all the things will be consist in the WP content. It will also include the plugins, theme, and all the things basically. So the main folder is of our website is the WP content and WP include. Include basically it will include the library, like it can be JS file, it can be HTML, it can be PHP mailer, whatever the library we will include. Okay, as you can see that HTML API ID3, whenever you will install the new plugins, so all the dependable library will be installed in this folder. When you go on the content, so there will be four options there: plugin, themes, upgrade, uploads. In the plugins, all the plugins will be listed whatever you will install on the website. Like currently there are two plugins, AK and Classic Editor. When you go on your website dashboard, under the plugins, you will see these plugins. Okay, and after that, when you up in under the themes, you can see whatever the themes installed on your website. When you go on the themes, you can see the three themes is there. So if you will delete the theme from there, suppose I'm deleting this theme from this folder, so the theme will also deleted from the back end of the website. Okay, and up level. So our main work is the uploads. Here all the files or all the image audio will be uploaded here. They are the subfolders like date wise folder, year wise folder. Firstly you will see the year wise folder. After that you will see the month wise folder. Like if the image is uploaded in the July month, so the July date will be there, like 7 month 07. Okay, if the image is uploaded in the May, so 05 will be there. So currently we will open. So as you can see that the multiple image is there that we have uploaded. When you click on the view, it will show in the view. Okay, and as you can see that for every image there will be multiple size uploaded on the WordPress part. As you can see that the 5 images there, 5 number, 5, the pixel is different, this one, and this is 150 by 150, this is 1536 into 750. So every image upload on the different size that I want to show you. Okay, and you can select the size from there, like under the setting, under the media you can change the thumbnail size, you can change the medium size, you can change the large size. And uploading file, like here you can see that organize my file uploads into the month and year based folder. From there you can manage this setting. If you will uncheck this, so the image will not be organized in that folder. Currently this is organized, so whatever image we will upload, this will be uploaded as normal. Perfect. So the themes. So this is the media. Like suppose if you want to access the media, if you want to download a particular month for image, video, audio, so you just go on the C panel and just select the image whatever you will download and compress them. It will be compressed into the zip and click on the download. Otherwise you can direct download the folder. After that the pages is there. So this is the same dashboard that covered in the post part. Okay, this is the page name, this is the edit, this is quick edit, these are the same all the things. When you click on the quick edit, all the option is the same. Okay, so and when you click on the edit, the publish date, visibility, publish, these all are the same. Perfect. Page attribute is also the same currently. Okay, featured image, these all are the same. That like we will discuss this in later when we are using the page builders. Okay, so after that comment is there. In the comment you can see that we have discussed whatever the user will comment on the blog. Normally blog post, all the comments will be reflected here. You can unapprove, you can reply, you can quick edit, you can quick edit basically just to change the content. If you want to change the content, if you want to change the name and all the things, you can do from there. Okay, and you can mark as spam, so the IP will be blocked. The trash is there, from that you can delete the post normal. So basically just see an example. So this is the post. As you can see that if so this is the post normally. So if we open this URL in the incognito mode, so as you can see that currently command is visible, right? Basically this is approve command. So you, if the admin like you will unapprove the comment, so you will see that the comment will be hidden. Okay, like someone has posted the comment, so just you can unapprove them. Okay, and you can also reply from there, like anything reply you can made from there, so it will be reflected to the user end. Okay, so this is the action just as normal chatting type action. After that, so this is the comment part, right? That will not be useful. Like on the website, no one mm, like minor in term of the minor, the comment section will be used. Otherwise, no one use this. After that, the theme is there, appearance section. From that, you can manage your theme. You can add the theme. You can delete the theme. You can change the code of the themes. Any important action you can take from there. So here we'll see the list of the installed theme on your directory on your WordPress. So when you click on the theme details, it will show the theme name, it will show the version, it will show the author name, whatever the author of the theme. Tags description will be shown. So here two button is there, live preview, activate. From that you can see live preview, like how your website will be see in the real time. Okay, so currently if you will see that, so this one is our website currently looking, right? But if we will activate this thing from the activate button, so the layout of the website will be changed. Okay, so as the same way we can decide the theme, we can adjust the theme according to our interest, like whatever we are looking to. This is good. Perfect. So you can also delete the theme from there, from the delete button. Okay, so the button like add new button is there. When you click on the add new, so the multiple theme will be there, as you can see that. So from that you can select the theme according to your niche. Like suppose if you are want to create the website for the digital marketing agency, so you can select the theme related to the digital marketing agency. So according to your interest, you can select the theme from there. Otherwise, from the theme forest, from the element and want to, you can purchase the theme. Okay, so as you can see, there are multiple themes is there. Like if you want to create the blogging website, so there is a theme that name is the Generate Press. So this is the theme Generate Press. Basically, this is not good in the design part, but it is good for the ranking, like for the search engine optimization. This theme. Suppose if you are doing the blogging, so you can definitely proceed with this theme. As you can also see that the rating is 1396 with a 5 rate. Okay. So whenever we will install the theme, so 2 3 points will be needed. Like firstly, the theme should be uh, highly rated, qualified rated normally. As you can see that the current theme has no rated, so this is not a good. After that, this is also not a good. So just I'm telling the 2 or 3 themes that is best. One is the Astra. This one is the Astra. From that you can create the website of any type. Like you can create the school website, you can create the hotel restaurant website, you can create any kind of the website. Basically, it consists the pre-made template normally. Pre-website has been already built, so just you have to change the content, text, and all the things, and you can get a website from there. Okay, we will see that. I'll get this thing. So after that, Ocean WP is there. Ocean WP theme is there. This one is the Ocean WP. As you can see, the rating is also good. So, and that the same way, this is the alternative of the Astra. In that, pre-made website is also there. Okay. And after that, you can also proceed with the NVE, Navy. Yeah, yeah. Any themes we can add it that we will discuss. Right. So this is the Navy themes. Basically, initially we are suggesting that we need to go via the Astra theme. Okay. So just we are installing the Astra theme. I click on the install. After this one, click on the activate. So you can see that the layout will also change. Okay. The layout has been changed. Okay. So as the same way, you can see that the multiple option is there. Themes, customize, widget, manage. These three option comes after installing this theme. So basically, this multiple option has been come after installing this theme. So like if you will move with this theme, so this option was not there. Like only the themes and editor, but after installing this particular option has been come. So under the customize, you can customize your website. You can see here, uh, this is normal themes. Suppose we want to change this name my blog, so just hover on this and click on this. You can change the name from there. Okay, and every theme has the different option in the customizer tab. Like if you will install the Ocean WP, so that theme will have the different option. If you will install name, so this will be have different option. So this will be very theme to theme. So here, this left side is the site title. Here the logo can be added. After that, this side the menu section is there, and that all the menu will be displayed. Okay. So firstly we elaborate this thing like normally this is the active themes. That is the active theme is the extra. So you just can change also that. You can also install the themes from the customizer. You can filter themes from the left hand side like whatever your purpose. You can filter that. After that, global option is there in the Astra theme. This is the typography, like what kind of the font family you want to keep for the website. This is the font family like Open Sans, Lato, Montserrat, या फिर Obe. Okay. This is the base body font. Like when you click on this, the namal font of the body, you can customize this according to you. After that, heading font is there. You can change the font size actually from there also if you want to keep the suppose you basically when we start creating a website, so initially we will define that like for the h1 we will keep the size 40, for the h2 we will keep the size 45, for h3 28, 20 or something. So we will keep that thing Okay, so as the same way before starting the website, we just select the size, like which type of which size we want to keep for the heading, which what should be the line height, what should be the font weight, like how it is looking bold, smaller, what should be the font family. So this thing should be done before starting the website. Okay, so this is the general typography. Under the colors tabs, you can change the color of the website as you okay. So basically this will be not needed like normally if you are using the template, if you are creating template based website, so this thing is not be needed. Like some these things is consist in a particular themes. This themes not is there, not there any particular themes. The main thing will be there from the customizer. That one is the header builder. So the header builder is there. Extra theme has the different layout. Every theme has a different layout. So this is the site title and logo. When you click on the site title and logo, so this section will be appear. From there you can select the logo. Suppose if I want to keep this logo, so click on the select, and this is the option. Like if the logo is not properly visible, so you can just also crop from there. Suppose I am cropping that. Okay. Otherwise another option is there, skip crop, that we can also skip crop of image. So if I will crop image, you can see that the image completely reflected. Okay. After that, these things will be there, like what should be the tagline of the website, site title visibility. When you check on this, when you click check on this, the site title will be hide from there. Okay, and these are the options that we can that we will discuss while creating the website normally. Okay, so this is the menu part. From there you can select change the menu, add the menu. Okay, these things we will discuss, like the customizer part we will discuss while starting creating the website. So this is the widget act as in sidebar. Sidebar means just suppose if I open the website, this is the website. Here you can see the search, recent post, recent. This is the sidebar. So this things can be come from the widget portion. So as you can see that main sidebar, the header, footer, every theme has the different sidebar. Okay, but if you want to display this thing in the right side, this one, like only the right recent search, so this can be come from the main sidebar. Okay, as in this you will also see that when you click on the hello world, currently the sidebar is turned off in the theme that we will discuss. So under the theme file editor, you can change the source code of the web's theme. Basically, the theme source code will be reflected here. Coding part of the complete theme will be reflected here. Okay, under the menu tabs, all the menu will be displayed, like whatever we will keep on the top from the menu section, we can customize it. So, and under the plugins part, if you will go on the plugins, so plugins basically used for creating the functionality, like adding the functionality in the website. Suppose if you want to create a slider, so there are the multiple plugins available to create a and slider. So that will be depend on ourselves, like which type of the plugins we should use. When you click on the add new, and if you will search here for the slider, might be there an issue. Add new. So suppose if you want to add a slider, so normally we will type here slider. So as you can see that there are multiple plugins as there, right? So before installing the plugins, what we will think, what we will see, the particular rating part, the number of the installation. This one is untested with your version of the WordPress. This check should be there, compatible with your version of the WordPress, and last update. This four things should be checked. Suppose if you have installed these plugins, so normally you will see that there are 90,000 installation and the rating is 32. Here you can see that 40,000 installation rating is 233. So this one is good than compared to this. Okay. Basically in that high number of the rating is there. And so just there are the multiple tabs: featured, populars, recommendation, and favorites. Okay. So the third option is there. The third option is there, that is plugin file editor. From the plugin file editor, you can change the source code of your plugin. Like from here, you can change the source code of your plugins. Just select the plugins from here, like for which you want to customize the things. When you click on the any plugins you want to select, you can select and click on the select. So basically from the plugin file editor, you can modify the source code of the plugins if you want to do the customization in that. Okay. So this is the advanced part, like in starting, uh, that's the recommendation, like don't confuse it. Okay, don't do anything in that in starting. Like once your preference will be improved, so you can just start doing the customization in that also. Do you have any doubt until now?